PMU artists, you and I both know that AI cannot replace our job, but I'll tell you what it can do at the end. First of all, I want to explain to you what makes you a good PMU artist, and it usually takes about 6.5 years. So we need confidence. Confidence comes from experience, and experience comes from lots of PMU. You know that. We need to master the actual tattooing procedure. Again, it comes from experience and lots of PMU. We need to master the mapping procedure. That is hideous until you know how to do it. Again, experience and lots of PMU. Actually, we can practice this. There is a technique, there is a way to do it very, very easily. We do need to master our consults, but there's a business plan or a business strategy that I want to tell you about. We can actually find clients with this business plan, this business strategy. We can get systems, again, fast tracking us 6 years. All the systems we need to pop in place to make our business run nice and smoothly. It's all about systems and a plan. We can actually learn exactly what pigment to use. We can actually learn exactly what cartridge to use for what procedure. We can find models, all with this business plan, this business strategy. It's all been done for you. And then there's the perfection stage. Gosh, who knows what to do with the business, with the perfection stage? That's what the business plan, the strategy will tell you. Then with the color boost. We are confident after about 6.5 years. However, I'm many years into it and I never ever take for granted the confidence. I treat every single PMU treatment like it's a new one. I never take it for granted. But I have created a system. It's called the PMU Pivot. It's exactly what I do. It's exactly what I do to bring in a lot of money every week. I have my books filled as much as I want or as little as I want, and I can share it with you. So if you would like to know more about the PMU Pivot, DM me below Pivot and I'll send you, and you can have a little read about it. It's absolutely amazing. It's making your life so much easier, and you're fast tracking about 6.5 years to say the least. Why? Because I've already made all those mistakes. This is a business plan strategy for you. What the AI can do for us is when we learn how to feed it correctly with prompts, it can help us with all our messaging. But you have to know who you're talking to first. And guess what? That's in the business plan strategy as well. So AI will be our friend. It will make our life much easier. But you still need experience, and that's what the PMU Pivot will fast track for you.